Welcome to your next favorite furniture upgrade with the Morden Faux leather sofa and Loveseat set, designed for both style and comfort. Crafted from high-quality, durable faux leather, this set offers a sleek, minimalist look that complements any modern space. Its stain-resistant surface makes cleaning simple, perfect for busy homes with kids or pets. Enjoy firm comfort thanks to thick, high-resilience foam cushions and supportive throw pillows, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. The modern design features clean lines and a neutral color palette that fits effortlessly into any decor. Choose from timeless black, rich brown, or trendy white to match your personal style perfectly. Plus, the set comes with reliable delivery and a warranty for your peace of mind. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.